Students, again Dr. Arundhati Day. I am here in front of you, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Graduate School, College for Women, with the heterocyclic compounds, 5-membered aromatic heterocycles, part 3. The topics that we will be discussing today are furan and thiophene, structure of the furan and thiophene, then synthesis of furan and thiophene, electrophilic substitution reaction of furan, Diels-Alder reaction of furan, and electrophilic substitution reaction of thiophene. Today it is almost similar. Many things are similar and you have to refer for it to the previous video also, where we have talked about pyrrole, which is another 5-membered heterocyclic ring. First thing we will see is pyrrole. We have discussed in the last class, the last video, and here we have furan and thiophene, where we see that as far as aromatic character is concerned, thiophene is more aromatic than that of furan and pyrrole in this series, sulfur being less electronegative. We have done this. Next, furan is the least aromatic among this because oxygen atom is too electronegative, and in furan also we see that it is less reactive than pyrrole, and substitutions occur at 2 position only, as it used to occur in case of pyrrole. In pyrrole also, and in pyrrole, furan, thiophene, in all these compounds, the substitution reaction is going to take place, electrophilic substitution is going to take place at the 2 position only. But furan, has being least aromatic in nature, it also gives addition product along with the substitution product. However, thiophene doesn't have that characteristic property, neither do pyrrole. Thiophene's reactivity are quite similar to that of benzene. Now let us come to the synthesis. First we come to the structure of furan and thiophene. Here what we see that in furan you see that it is oxygen in place of nitrogen as it was in pyrrole, and thiophene we have sulfur over here as the heteroatom. In oxygen and in furan and thiophene, the lone pair of sulfur and oxygen are placed in the sp2 hybridized orbital. 2 orbital, one is in the p orbital and another is in the sp2 hybridized orbital. Now the one which is present in the unhybridized p orbital participates in the delocalization, giving the ring aromatic character, and the other lone pair remains in the sp2 hybridized orbital. Next we come to the structure of furan and thiophene. Pahl-Knorr synthesis we have already seen for pyrrole. Now we come to the Pahl-Knorr synthesis of furan and thiophene. These are the two main types by which furan and thiophene is generally prepared. Here also we have a 1,4-diketone compound as a starting material. In both the cases we see, students see, in both the cases the starting material is 1,4-diketone. Only in case of furan it is protonated water, and in case of thiophene it is phosphorus sulfide, phosphorus pentasulfide dimer we have taken. Along with it we have also taken Lawson's reagent in case of thiophene. If you do a comparative study about the two syntheses, it is quite nearly same. Here what happens, first the proton attacks to one of the carbonyl oxygen in the first case in furan synthesis, you see, making the carbonyl carbon very electrophilic, and there is an intramolecular cyclization and intramolecular nucleophilic attack at the carbonyl carbon. One carbonyl's oxygen attaches to the center, that is the nucleophilic center that is generated in the carbonyl carbon, and we get a nucleophilic addition type of reaction and cyclization. Then there is removal of water, giving you a double bond. Again there is removal of water, giving you another double bond and generating the aromatic ring. And this is the driving force. See, in thiophene also it's just the same. Only thing is, at first step only we have introduced sulfur instead of oxygen. Here where it is written X, that is O or S. It may be O or it may be S. First we are introducing sulfur, that is we are replacing the oxygen of the 1,4-diketo by sulfur, and then similar type of reaction, attack on the nucleophilic attack, intramolecular nucleophilic attack on the carbonyl carbon, intramolecular nucleophilic substitution type of reaction we are happening over here, and then followed by cyclization and then removal of water, giving you a aromatic ring. So furan and thiophene are formed almost in a similar type of reaction. The reagents are only different. Next we move to some of the important recapitulations. Furan is not as reactive as pyrrole in electrophilic substitution reaction. Why? This is because the oxygen, as a result of its greater electronegativity, is not as effective as nitrogen in donating its non-bonding pair of electrons into the ring. Oxygen is highly electronegative, so it is keeping the electrons more towards itself, and those electrons, non-bonded electrons, are less available for donation. And you know, for electrophilic reaction, the electron density matters a lot. Thiophene is not as reactive as furan towards electrophilic substitution reaction because thiophene's non-bonding electrons are in a 3p orbital of carbon. Most of the electron density therefore is maintained in the vicinity of the sulfur. So the electrons remains more in the vicinity of the sulfur, and hence it is less available for donation, which is required for electrophilic substitution reaction. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल तभी आएगा ना जब आपका प्रॉपरली बॉन्ड हो सकता है कोई इलेक्ट्रोफाइल आके आपके कार्बन के साथ. नाउ सल्फर का चूँकि 3p ऑर्बिटल है, इसलिए यहाँ पर जो है कार्बन में इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्सटीट्यूशन बढ़िया से नहीं हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट वी मूव टू द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्सटीट्यूशन रिएक्शंस ऑफ फ्यूरान. सी, in furan, electrophilic substitution reactions all occur at the second position, as we see from this chart. You can see that there is chlorination, bromination, nitration, sulfonyl group also attaches, and then acetylation. And in all these cases, see, the conditions of the reactions are very, very mild, because if little bit harsh condition is produced or is used in the reaction, it immediately results in dimerization. Either it forms a dimer or it attaches to the oxygen itself, making the ring very, very least electrophilic, making the less susceptible to electrophilic substitution. So the reaction conditions are always taken mild. Next, this is a very unusual reaction which takes place only in case of furan in this series of compounds. This is Diels-Alder reaction. What is this Diels-Alder reaction? This reaction is a reaction, it is a 4+2 cycloaddition reaction, which was found out by Diels and Alder, Otto Diels and Karl Alder, where there is 4+2 cycloaddition giving you a cyclized products. From uncyclized products, we can synthesize a cyclized product only it is a one-step concerted reaction. This is generally used for synthesis of 6-membered ring, and it is a concerted reaction, it is concerted mechanism. How it occurs? See, there is one molecule which is a diene, which is having 2 double bonds in it, and the other pair which is required for this reaction is a dienophile, that is attaching anything which is attracted towards the diene. So one diene and one dienophile is required for this reaction, and there is a 6 sigma bond formation if you get a close look of this reaction, then you find that there is 2 new sigma bond formation. See here in the ring, that is 1 6 and 5 4 5, and 1 new pi bond generation. Breakage of 2 pi bond, 3 pi bond rather, breakage of 3 pi bond, 2 of the diene and 1 of the dienophile, generating 2 new sigma bonds and 1 new pi bond. And along with it, see, it is a one step mechanism giving you a cyclized product. This is the Diels-Alder reaction, which is often given by furan also. Before coming to furan, we see that how the dienophile and the diene attaches to itself. Now see here, this is cyclopentadiene, which is taken as a diene, and the other compound is dicyanoethylene. And what happens here, the dicyanoethylene acts as a dienophile and cyclopentadiene acts as a diene. See the fashion in which it adds, either it can attach as a endo fashion, means that cyano group is inside, that cyano group inside की तरफ है. See the ring, children, and if we flip the corner of that cyclopentadiene, we can see that it attaches inside. cyano group अंदर की तरफ है. और यहाँ क्या है, next you see cyano group away from the diene है. So it can be 2 fashion by which we can add. One is endo, that is you can see here how it has acted over here. See the other reaction also, there also we are seeing cyclopentadiene with malic anhydride. There also it is, first one is in an endo fashion and the second one is in an exo fashion. ठीक है. Now we move to the similar type of reaction, that is Diels-Alder reaction in case of furan. What happens here? Oxygen atom is highly electronegative, as we know. So the delocalization of lone pairs of the electrons in aromatic system of furan is not very effective. And furan can also behave as a diene, and it can give you a 4+2 cycloaddition. Furan acts here as a diene, not as a dienophile. Here it is written dienophile. This is a small mistake taken from the internet. So children, make a small correction here. The dienophile should be a diene, because here we are seeing that furan is a diene. It reacts with dimethyl maleate, giving you a cyclic product, 4+2 cycloaddition product, which is also known as an adduct, and it always attaches generally in a exo fashion. It attaches generally in an exo fashion. See the CO2Me group is outside, बाहर की तरफ है, so it is in exo fashion. Here also we see here you have furan. Again furan is acting here as a diene, malic anhydride which acts as a dienophile, and it attaches, giving you an exo product. Exo product is the major product in case of furan generally. Furan, now we see that what happens, what is the basic utility of this reaction. इस reaction का utility क्या है, इससे क्या होता है, once we generate these products, these adducts, this adduct can undergo dehydration and giving you aromatic ring. Benzene ring दे सकता है dehydration के through. So that is the reason it is very important that you can immediately form many substitutions of benzene rings. Substituted benzene rings can be generated by the help of this reaction. Next we move to the other reactions of furan, where we see that furan can participate in Mannich reaction. It can also participate in mercuration, giving you, mercuration gives you a chloromercuric compound, and then that can further give you acid. So the acid, that is furfural is the aldehyde and furfuric acid is the acid. So furfuric acid salts can be easily generated by this mercuration. Whenever furan is acted upon by oxidizing agent, it opens up, giving you the diketo compound from where it is formed, 1,4-diketo compound. Next we move to the electrophilic substitution reactions of thiophene. Now this we can come up to the end of our today's video over here, this video over here. Now here what we see is thiophene undergoes electrophilic substitution quite rapidly than that of benzene. We all know that in the, you can refer to my previous videos where you will know that what is the order of reactivity if you take all these 3 5-membered heterocyclic compounds and as well as benzene, and we find that these heterocycles are much more reactive towards electrophilic substitution than benzene, because they are 5-membered and benzene is 6-membered. So similar number of electrons revolves around 5-membered ring. So electron density is much more higher. So electrophilic substitution is much more rapid. And one more thing, what is very important over here is all the reaction conditions for electrophilic substitution in thiophene are milder than that of benzene, because these 3 compounds, thiophene, pyrrole and furan, all are having the similar problem, that is they undergo polymerization under very drastic conditions. Here also we see that acetylation is carried out in presence of stannic chloride. Instead of aluminium chloride, we are using stannic chloride. Generally in case of benzene we use aluminium chloride. Stannic chloride is milder than that of aluminium chloride. All these reagents whatsoever are taken for electrophilic substitution, giving you iodo, bromo, nitro, sulfonic acid or acetyl substituted compounds of thiophene, all are milder reagents than that used in benzene. So that comes, there we come to the end of our video today, and thank you.